Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Watershed from the Global Watershed website without the need to use any tool. This tutorial will guide you through every step of obtaining Watershed for any basins around the world. Let's get started. Open your browser and type Global Watershed. Press enter. Select Global Watershed here. Now let's go over the key feature on the home page. At the left side, we have an option upstream and downstream flow paths. This tool allows you to delineate watershed upstream of the selected point or trace the flow path downstream. We have another option here. Select this one. This option will make your result downloadable. Select this one. And we have another option to delineate watershed for lake or coastal line. If you need to define watershed that drain into a specific lake or coastal line, this feature is perfect. And we have another option to enter our coordination, latitude and longitude. You can manually select your location or use the current location button to center the map on your actual position. This is useful for field study or local watershed analysis. In precision, we have two options, lower precision and high precision. Lower precision quickly generates result with the less details, and high precision produce more detail and accurate result, but taking longer, but it's not activated right now. And we have another option for watershed display, whether we want to display river and streams or watershed boundary or watershed outlet. It's up to you. And the website provide watershed data from the different source. We have another two option which is not that important, river color and watershed color. So we can do it in ArcGIS. So let's go to the right side. We have an interactive map where we can zoom in and zoom out to our specific location where we want to download our watershed. So let's activate the option for delineating our watershed. We have downstream here. It will specify the flow path of our watershed. Select here and say trace. Now we have the entire flow path of the river Nile, and we can use another option to delineate our watershed. Uh, Select the upstream delineate watershed and select the location where you want to delineate and select the location where you want to delineate your watershed. Delineate. Yes, it's delineate. Now we have the entire river Nile is get delineated, and river and stream also is displayed in the map. Let's download our watershed from here, watershed boundary, and we have the different options. Select shape file for the river network. Select here and shape file is downloaded. I used River Nile to delineate the watershed, but you can use any location of your interest. For example, we can select another location from any place here in India or here, delineate watershed. We'll get our watershed. We can see any location in the map. Delineate. Yes, it's delineated. We can delineate any watershed in the world. We scroll down or scroll in and select our watershed here. Yes, it's delineated. We can delineate here. Okay, let's open ArcGIS. ArcGIS. And before that, we have to extract our data. Extract file. Okay. Extract file. Okay. We have watershed and river. And open ArcGIS. Okay. Download. River. We have watershed. Download watershed. Watershed. Okay. Yes, we have watershed and we have our river delineated over here. This is the river Nile watershed and those the river and streams. This is how to delineate watershed from the Global Watershed website. See you next tutorial.